In question 2, you're being asked to find the distance. So I note that it's really important to write down what you're actually finding. We're finding the distance. Now, if we're using the formula that they suggested, the subject of that formula was speed. So we would have speed equals d on t. We could use that formula and solve for d. So maybe I'll do it that way. To the nearest kilometre travelled by a car whose average speed, so we know the speed is 56 kilometres per hour, for a journey of 3 hours, that's the time. So if I use, like I said, speed is equal to distance divided by time, I substitute my number I've got for speed, which is 56, is equal to the distance, which we don't know, over time, which is 3. Now, there's an equation. That's an equation, and the unknown is d. If I was to solve that equation for d, I want to get d by itself. D is currently being divided by 3, and the opposite is to multiply by 3. So we'll take 56, multiply it by 3, and you'll get the distance. So I'll just bring the calculator up. 56 multiplied by 3 is 168. Therefore, the distance is 168 kilometres. This one is the same, except it just has a decimal for time. So we know that time, this time, is 7.2 hours. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. The speed staying the same, it's this 56, is the distance divided by 7.2. So we can see this is an equation. We could solve this for d. To get d by itself, you'd have to multiply by 7.2. So d would be equal to 56 multiplied by 7.2. Let me get the calculator. 56 multiplied by 7.2 is 403.2 kilometres is the distance. Now, in this example, the time is given as 2 hours 43 minutes. Something really important to note, that is not 2.43 hours. It is 2 and 43 on 60 hours. Now, to get the distance is speed, which is our 56, times our time, which is 2 and 43 on 60. So, go to your calculator. We want 56 times 2 fraction button, 43 fraction button, 60. Register that. No, it's not good. It's not happy with that. I'll just pause the video. Okay, I think I've got it this time. 152 and 2 on 15 kilometres. Okay, stop the video there and do the next example in another video.